Welcome back to the Masake Scrapyards YouTube channel, guys. I hope you guys have been loving the content, man. Today we're going to be doing something a little bit different. I'm going to show you guys the severity of how badly these vehicles get stripped, guys. So you're probably thinking, yes, this car is already quite badly stripped and there's not a lot of parts left on it. But guys, this is actually a vehicle that is still quite complete compared to our other vehicles. So this is a Polo 6. You can see that the doors are gone, some of the glasses is gone as well. Some of the suspension parts are gone as well, but there's actually still a lot of meat still left on this car. We've still got a body that we can cut into sections. We've still got fenders, we've still got seats, dash parts. There's still rear suspension parts. There's an axle there at the back that's still left. So there's actually still quite a lot of parts left here. But I'm going to take you guys to another Polo that's quite close to this one, which is also a Polo 6 that came in round about a little bit earlier than that one, maybe a couple of months. But both of them have been standing here for probably about 3 years. So here's the other Polo, guys. There's basically no Polo left here. It's been cut up, the roof is gone, the right hand side section is gone, the front section is gone, the rear section is still there, but the boot lid is gone. We're basically left with, this is basically the inside of the dash that's still here, and we've got a shock there, we've got a couple of seats, and most of these parts are not even for this Polo. It's from other Polos that they've stripped and they've come and they've placed it here, which is not supposed to happen, but it does happen. So yeah, guys, as you can see, there's almost nothing left here. I've actually done a video before where we only had a small piece of the vehicle left like that. So these vehicles, they completely disappear at the end of the day eventually, because the guys are buying sections, they're buying everything off of the vehicles, because a lot of people want to know, but what do we do with these vehicles when they basically shells? There's nothing that gets left behind of the vehicle, guys. The people buy everything of it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for all the likes and the subscribes, guys. We really appreciate it. Please keep on liking, please keep on subscribing, and we'll see you next time.